So good morning, guys. Excuse me. Good morning, guys, from my end. Good afternoon, good evening. Yeah, so guys, I've just woken up. It's around 7:30. My name is Stella Perita. I'm a YouTuber in Kenya. Yeah, proudly a Kenyan lady, guys. So today, guys, I'm just gonna spend a day with you. As you can see, my sink is messy, so I'm just going to wash these utensils, clean the house, then just spend a day with you guys. But this phone is like it's messing me up. I don't know what to do, but I'll just try as much as I can to capture what I can catch. Yeah, so stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. Don't forget to like, share, comment, click on the notification button so that whenever I upload a new video you can be notified and you can watch. So as you can see, my sink is messy. Let me try and work it out. Yeah. So guys, this is what we are having for breakfast. That is eggs, of course some garnishes of tomato and some bread, but I'm not going to take bread, I'm just going to take something else. yeah, whatever I'll get, and some tea. Yeah, as simple as that. So guys, it's around 1. I'm just going to make lunch. So those are onions I've already incorporated into the sufuria, and I have some carrots over here and some tomatoes, and I'm gonna also cook with them. I'm gonna cook together everything. I have some potatoes, some rice. I just want to cook, I don't want to cook a lot of food. Yeah, so guys, this is our lunch. It's around 1. I've already said like that. Yeah, so good afternoon again. Yeah, depending on where you are at. So I'm just going to mix everything together, guys. I don't feel like cooking rice kando, then cooking stew kando. I just feel I should just incorporate everything together. Yeah, it's also much easier. Okay, after putting the tomatoes, I like to go in with the salt. But the salt helps tomatoes to cook faster. Yeah. So just a pinch of salt. I think I should just add so that I don't add again later on. Later on. Yeah. So guys, as we are still talking and cooking, have you subscribed to my channel? Guys, please subscribe, like, comment, give me a thumbs up. Guys, click on the notification button so that whenever I upload a new video, you can be notified and you can watch anytime. Those are carrots. I've just grated them. Yeah. Potatoes or potatoes, depending on which school you went to. So at this point, guys, I like adding any spices that I want to use for this dish, but normally I love using just Royco cubes. Royco cubes make a very big difference. Added rice, stir a bit, add water, and let it simmer for a while. So as the food is cooking, I normally like to go and bath my son, so that when the food is ready, he's also clean, then he can eat and sleep. Yeah, until maybe 4 to 5 p.m. So our food is ready, guys. We have potatoes, we have some rice, and we have also some carrots. Yeah, I decided to incorporate everything. I didn't want stress or cooking sijui vitu kando kando. So guys, it's yummy though. So we're gonna have it with juice because I wanted some avocados, but sijaziona huku, so we are just going to have it with juice. Yes, and my son loves this kind of food, by the way. Yeah, I know, but there are many children love this kind of food. I don't know why. Rice with viazi, but me, I like putting in carrots, at least, balanced diet and wherever. So guys, that's it for our lunch. So guys, I'm preparing supper. It's around 5:40 right now in the evening. So I'm going to cook chapos with camandes. I've already put the camandes to boil for a while, but they don't take a long time to boil. So then I'm going to cover this dove. At least me, I normally like my dove to rest a bit before I start cooking the chapos. While that is setting up, I'm going to be, kutengeneza these managus. Yeah, because I've lit a jiko, so I just want to, after finishing chapos, I put these ones to boil. Yeah. Lovely besties, so this is what we are having for supper. Chapos. By the way, I wanted to take you through people I make my chapos, but unfortunately the tripod could not hold anymore, so I just had to cook and show you guys. And we have here lentils. These lentils I've added some cabbages and some carrots in it, at least to break that monotony, guys. So this is what we are having, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, give me a thumbs up, guys, share, and I really appreciate it. Click on the notification button so that you don't miss on any video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. And guys, yeah, the food is yummy. See you in my next video. You can just leave a comment on the comment section below. If you want me to do a video on how I made these chapatis, I'll gladly do it. So guys, just leave a comment and I'll read them and I will reply them, and I will do whatever you want me to do, of course. So good night from my end. It's currently 8 here. Yeah, good night from my end, and see you in my next video.